Yeah, I think for us, we've not only embraced it, but we've used it as sort of a leverage point. Well, if you look at it from the sense of outside in, but also inside out,
Hmm.
well, why can't we use AI ourselves? If we know that AI and the type of attacks that are coming from that are going to hit us and the speed at which they can hit us, are we set up for success to be able to react to those things? If not, let's ask ourselves the question. If not, then can we leverage AI against right back? So we've embraced it fully. We actually have a security operations team full of engineers. We have written a lot of our own agentic AI to do what I would say level one, level two, sometimes level three analyst sort of triage work. And I think this has allowed us to essentially switch from like a queue or pod based model where you might have certain shift work, follow the sun model. There's a myriad of different ones out there. It's allowed us to essentially operate as like a 24/7 shop with not having 30, 40 analysts on a team or having them being shift work where they're responsible for X, Y, and Z tickets that might come in a specific queue. We've opened it up to where we do a lot of the collection and aggregation. We make some decisions, and then we get it to those engineers to actually say, okay, did it get it right? Do I actually need to put eyes on glass? If so, is it something that I can do directly? And maybe something we could talk about sort of the operationalization of those tools on other teams. So I can go pivot and do this myself, or do we hand it off to another engineering team to help us with that?